this move from a paper-based environment to an ICT and Android-based environment is non-trivial. The women, the pregnant women and young children, once this project is implemented, will have their entire services largely determined by an ICT-based, by electronic means. The community health workers themselves will be required to be trained in smartphones and use of the application, the Android application. What gives the confidence to the collector that such a move from a paper-based one to an Android, an ICT one, is a well-advised one? At least for a period of time, the old paper-based records will have to coexist with the new ICT-based, Android-based, database-based records. That means perhaps the community health workers will have to maintain two sets of records, update manual ones and input the data through the Android devices. So possibly the workload might increase. We don't know for how long these two systems might have to coexist. If this is going to be the case, what might be the impact on the morale of the community health workers? We know both from anecdotes as well as from research that has gone in that in many areas, many geographical areas, under many conditions, the morale of the health workers, community health workers, is certainly not where it should be. So what is going to be the impact of this new way of working on their attitude? Might there be a demand for increase in pay? Has the collector factored this into his decision? It's absolutely true. I mean, there cannot be two opinions on this. ICT, the new technologies, bring with them new promises, bring with them new ways of working, bring with them new ways of thinking. Quite possibly, they carry promise of a better way of governing. But there is a bigger question. Who really benefits from this technology? Who really wants this technology? Do the pregnant women want it? Do the young children who are going to be served by the new dispensation, do they want it? Do the health workers desire this change? Did they ask for this change? Who wants it? We will go about, as part of this session and the one that follows, we'll try to find some answers on how one goes about figuring out whether an e-governance initiative is a well-advised one or an ill-advised one.